I gave you everything I had, every dream and every plan, but it was never enough. You always wanted more, took all my love and left me sore. You twisted every word I said, crushed my heart until it bled. But now the colors start to fade, I won't be your masquerade. You always had to push my buttons, set me off like the flames. Was it good just to see me crumble? You got off on all my pain. You fed on the chaos on my rage, locked me in your twisted cage. You love to see me lose control while you play the victim's role. You pulled the strings and I obeyed, tied me down with the games you played. But now the ties have come undone, your battle's lost and I have won. You always had to push my buttons, set me on a wild rampage. Was it great just to see me crumble? You got off on every stage. You fed on the chaos on my rage, locked me in your twisted cage. Love to see me lose control while you play the victim's role. You pulled the strings and I obeyed, tied me down with the games you played. But now the ties have come undone, your battle's lost and I have won. You always had to push my buttons, set me on a wild rampage. Was it great just to see me stumble? You got off on every stage. I gave you all the best of me, but you only took what you could say. Turned my heart to cold hard stone, left me feeling so alone. I was a puppet on a string, dancing to the tune you'd sing. I had strings, but now I'm free. There are no strings on me. I gave you everything I was, but your hunger had no cause. Now I'm done, you've had your fill, no more feeding on my will. You always had to push my buttons, set me on off like the flames. But now the fire's gone and I'm standing, no more playing in your games. You got off, you had your thrills, but I'm free to pay the bills. No more chains, no more lies, now it's time to say goodbye.